Okay, this video today is about how to 19 boot Debian 10 LXDE Desktop alongside 18 operating system in UEFI. I found a bug with Debian 10. If you multi-boot each desktop flavor of Debian, you only show one. So after you reboot, or after do the installation here, it's going to show Debian 10 LXDE plus Windows plus the other GNU/Linux distros, but the Debian is going to show only one. So Debian has 7 desktop environment, and multi-booting and having each Debian version I have with 20 GB partition. So after I install this, the LXDE, the LXQT, and the XFCE, I'm gonna have a video showing how it looks like when you boot. I'm gonna show all the operating system there, and then I'm gonna boot into Debian, and I'm gonna run sudo update grub to get all the Debian listed, all the Debian version listed on the GNU grub. So to start installation, you just have to do is click install Debian. Okay, select your language here and click next. Select your location and click next. Select your keyboard layout and click next. This is the Calamares installer. This is the first time they've been using the Calamares installer. So you can use the Live USB or Live DVD or Live CD. In this case, the Live DVD, and record installation, take screenshots, everything. Surf the internet while you do the installation, so it's pretty nice. So here you select manual partitioning. Click next. The first partition here the FAT32, that's the UEFI partition. Double click, then you click here mount point /boot/UEFI, and the boot and the ESP has to be there. So click OK here. Okay, so now go to the free space here. double click on the free space. You can use this here to select the size of the partition you want to use. On my case here, I'm going to use 20 gigabytes. So it's 20 for 80, 20 gigabytes. Then on the mount point here, select the mount point. Click OK here. Now you have a new partition here. Then click Next here. The computer name here, you can use Debian or whatever name you want to use. I'm going to pause and create my user account here. So it's going to create a partition with 20 gigabytes, file system ext4. I'm going to set up the FAT32 partition with /boot/UEFI. Just have to do is click install. It's going to take around 28 minutes to finish the installation. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, the installation is complete. So I just have to do is reboot the computer. My next video is going to be how to 20 boot Debian 10 LXQT alongside 19 operating system in UEFI. If you like this video, please subscribe, give a like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.